This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Milva Jaluli.
Great-looking income-producing duplex and/or residence.
A rare find.
This well-maintained, great investment property has it all.
Each unit is over 1,300 square feet with 2 bed, 2 baths and large laundry rooms. Updated open kitchens and baths, with granite counters and tile in the main living areas, separate living room and family/dining room areas.
Light and bright welcoming units.
Private back patios with fenced yard and separated generous carports plus plenty of parking.
Great curb appeal.
Total is over 2,600 square feet under air.
Both units have long-term tenants. Under same ownership for 20 years, and it shows the pride of ownership. 2 separate electric meters. Impact and accordion.
Located in the Imperial Point neighborhood, close to public and private schools, shopping, restaurants and the beach.
Great opportunity. For more information, review the details below.